my experience on choosing you, Vlad, on this was actually in failing first with another.
So first is about like just introduction. So what's your line of work?
Yeah, so my name is Ove Andre Ramme. I'm located in Norway, nearby Oslo, and I'm a CEO of Terapivakten and Terapivakten Kurs og Kompetanse. I'm a treatment manager, and basically we deliver therapeutic services to clients in Norway and also digital courses and lections and speeches to companies and other people, which is preventing, drug preventing, and mental health preventing courses and therapeutic interventions.
Yes, yes, great. So it's important line of work, basically like healthcare industry. So can you like walk me through the process that you used to select like me to work with you for this like AI development for those AI solutions? Like what was the
Yeah.
process?
Yeah, so I have around 10 years experience working with different kind of freelancer through Upwork, which is a digital freelancer platform. And my experience are with working with other freelancers has been variable. Some have been really bad and some has been good. But my experience on choosing you, Vlad, on this was actually in failing first with another. And that means that I posted this project and it was probably around 30 people who wanted to help me with this project on working on a course builder which could create course lessons in a streamlined way. So first I tried a guy and he did some work on creating a ChatGPT agent and I noticed that Vlad's signature was you cannot make this through a chat agent. You need to do this. And in the beginning, I was just first, he's a cocky one. That's a cocky message, but he eventually he was right because the ChatGPT agent that I created with another freelancer did not work as perfect. It was not good enough. It didn't create long enough lessons. It was a AI language, and it was a lot of things that just didn't fall right, and it was not good enough. So I went back to this cocky Ukrainian guy and I said, "Hey, can you help me with this?" And so the relationship and new development of a new AI course builder started, and that's perfect.
Yes, yes. So great, yeah, because there are right now many other people who like we want this to do this in ChatGPT. Basically, we want this custom GPT that does like XYZ, but are like, okay, you can do this. They're like, oh, we don't want to listen, and then they go through this like process that you went through, which basically having someone who can't accomplish this. Uh, yeah, great. I know
So
it's great.
basically, Vlad, it was your honesty. You were directly pointing to the issue that I experienced.
Yes, yes. So can you also like so during the process of working with me versus this other people, so what you noticed, like what impressed you the most, like maybe what I did
Your
differently, maybe
patience,
patience.
mostly your patience with me. You are always communicative. I can contact you in the evening, morning, whatever. You were always there. You streamline the whole process. You update the application. You were really, really service minded. focused on solution rather than all the problems. And you just gave hope and faith that this will be a perfect application eventually.
Yes, yes. And I want to mention it wasn't like super perfect from the start because AIs like to make mistakes, hallucinate. It already was normally working first try, but still we had some quirks like some edge cases that I
Yeah.
had to update. But having said that, basically I updated in a way that like so that it not occur the next time. For every issue that we encountered, I kind of find the root cause so that the next time it will not happen or it will just have low chance of happening just because of AI technology as it is today just likes to make mistakes. Um, yeah.
Yeah, and that's true, Vlad, but still it was better than what I had before. But you perfectionized it along the way.
Yes. Uh, Last question. So, what would you say to recommend me to other people who might want like AI services or custom like AI agent development services?
Then I would say if you would like a really a responsible, serious, experienced guy, which is service-minded, kind and polite, and always available, you will go for Vlad. He knows what he's talking about.
Yeah. Okay, great. Thanks so much for the interview.